everyone, 大家好. Welcome back to our Mandarin series. This is episode 5 and today we are learning something very interesting.
What? What is it, woman? What?
Now, before I reveal what we're going to learn today, let me ask you a question. Do you know how to say I love you in Mandarin?
I know.
If your answer is 我爱你, then you got it right. Now let's take a closer look at this phrase. In 我爱你, right, we already have two very important words that is actually related to today's topic. The first word is 我, which means I. And the second one is 你, which means you. So today, we are going to build on what you already know. In this lesson, we will learn how to say I, you, he, she, it in Mandarin. Alright? We will also learn how to use another special word to say things like my, your, his, her, and its. By the end of today's lesson, right, you will be able to make simple phrases such as my mother, your father, and many more. Now let's look at the first topic of the day. I, you, he, she, and it. Let's focus on the first word which you already know, I or me. You say 我. Second word is 你, which means you. 你. Now the third word that we are about to learn is he, she, it. Now he, she, it in Mandarin is 他. Make sure you're blowing because it starts with alphabet T. Hence you got to blow. 他. Now, notice that he, she, and it are all pronounced exactly the same in Mandarin, right? The difference is only in the written character. Hence, you can see here there are three different characters in Mandarin, all right, which indicates he, she, and it. However, when you say it, you just say ta. Now, let's do a quick recap before we move on to the second topic of the day. Now, again, what is I? 我. Number 2, what is you? 你. Number 3, what is he, she, or it? 他. All right. Now let's get into the second topic, which is possessive marker. Now you must be wondering, what is a possessive marker? Alright, a possessive marker, we use it to show ownership. And also, it links a noun to what belongs to it. Sounds a bit complicated, right?
Okay.
Alright, now let's make it simpler. It's just like when you want to say my book, your cup, his bicycle. So you're trying to show that it belongs to someone, right? And you need this one special possessive marker to show that it belongs to someone else. In English, we use apostrophe S. For example, Linda's, John's, Marshall's, right? So in Mandarin, we will be using the word 的. I repeat, 的. Remember, you're not going to blow this word because it starts with a D. So you pronounce it without blowing, 的. 的. So earlier, I taught you the word I, you, he, she, it, right? Now let's try to include the possessive marker. Or in other words, let's try to say my, your, his, her, and its.
Oh, okay.
So when I say I'm only going to say 我. But when I change it to my, I'm going to add the word the. And so it becomes 我的. Now let me ask you, how would you say your? Good job. Your is 你的. Third question, how would you say his, her, or its? Well done. The answer is 他的. Now let's try to do some simple sentences. How would you say my milk in Mandarin? The answer is 我的奶. Number two, your husband. Your husband. Good job. The answer is 你的老公. Number three, how would you say his wife? His wife. 他的老婆. Number four, how do you say Miss Lily's father? Miss Lily's father. Now, in our previous topic, we learned the word miss. So, to say Miss Lily, we would say Lily 小姐. Lily 小姐. You do not say 小姐 Lily. The correct answer would be Lily 小姐. So try answering Miss Lily's father. Good job. The answer is 莉莉小姐的爸爸. 莉莉小姐的爸爸. Today, you have learned how to say I, you, he, she, and it in Mandarin. We have also learned how to use the word the to talk about possession, such as my, your, his, her, and its. Now, before you go, try making your own sentences using the words that we have learned from lesson 1 to lesson 4. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or if there is a particular topic you would like to learn in future lessons. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. 再见.